We're right at the front of the train. These are the last tickets that I could get for the way back. Look at.
Do you see the door?
That's my seat. There's KK seat, automatic seat. Woo! Right there. That is the front. And there's the outside. You can't see it, but we're getting ready to go.
The window.
Yes, we both get a window this time. Too bad it's dark. Okay, see if you can put it back. Push one of the, right here. Look at the little buttons. Okay, give it a try. Go. Ooh, dramatic. Oh.
I like business class now.
You like business class. You've been tainted. It's all you want now?
I'd be okay with business class.
Look at that leg room. Nice.